There is no reason in the world for us to believe that European Americans will ever educate our children correctly. Ain't no reason in the world. Why would you believe that? What would give you the idea that you could ever convince these people to educate your children right? I don't care how much you protest, how much you demand, they will never do it. What they will end up doing is getting some white folks to teach them Afrocentric orientations. Because anybody in their right minds would know that anyone who has systematically blocked you from knowing for 3 centuries will not change overnight, over a year, over a decade, over a score of years, or even over a century. The only way we'll ever be able to really educate our children is to do it ourselves.